In front of me is VIVO X200 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on red button at the bottom to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it, on the right one. Now play it by clicking on it and operate all of those options to manage it. You can also click on those three dots at the top right corner to access all of those. Then go back and click on those options at the bottom to manage your recording as well, like this one to rename it, OK to save your changes, and this one to get rid of it. Confirm your choice by hitting delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!